we remain committed to advancing the cause of working people in Jamaica, and there remains important work to be done. In doing so, we will not be harming the interests of owners of capital. Rather, we are promoting a more equitable and mutually beneficial relationship between both capital and labour. The next PNP government will pursue a series of reforms to ensure greater fairness at work, improve industrial harmony in the country, and increase productivity and competitiveness in our economy. I want to speak to a few of these reforms. Madam Speaker, the prevalent use of repeating fixed-term contracts and the fiction of independent contracting where there is no real independence have too often become mechanisms to sidestep the basic guaranteed package of worker rights and benefits. This is not fair to workers, and it deprives the social protection system of Jamaica, the NIS, the NHT and HART, of significant funding, and it ends up costing the state heavily in the long run. Madam Speaker, these mechanisms need to be examined by all social partners with a view to having them properly organised for the benefit of all. The next PNP government will bring legislation to eliminate abusive contractual devices as a means of circumventing employment rights and ensure that the equal treatment of workers, regardless of the legal form of their contracts,